Hey guys, we're back with the latest news. Quite a lot of stuff to talk about. Samsung is cooking some big things with AMD behind the closed doors. We got a big update on that, plus some more exciting news regarding the future of Exynos chips. But before we talk about that, let's talk about the elephant in the room, that is the fate of Galaxy Note series. We have seen a lot of leaks and reports on this topic, but nothing more credible than Exynos tweeting this. He simply said, Galaxy Note series, the end. After the release of Galaxy S21 Ultra and also using that phone personally, it is very obvious that this phone is made with a 100% intention to end the Galaxy Note series, and more specifically to end the need of having a Note flagship phone. The S21 Ultra fully supports S Pen capability. Not only that, there's a S Pen Pro coming out later, adding all those Pro Note specific features. It's clearly the end for the Note series. But there will be a surprising end. Samsung cannot just end their legendary lineup just like that. We still deserve one more shot for the fans. And that's where another credible source comes into play. Ross Young, one of the oldest and respectable name in tech industry with a pretty good track record. He further confirms that there is no Note 21 coming, but we may see a fan edition version of the Galaxy Note 21 series. With the FE in the name, I don't think it's going to be a S21 Ultra level flagship phone, but it's still going to be a flagship phone with great specs similar to the S21 or S21 Plus with the integrated S Pen. Now, no Galaxy Note 21 series means that the S21 series will get great sales, so it is indeed the end of Galaxy Note series, but the legacy lives on. Also in the news, we have a possible release date update of Samsung's Exynos chip with AMD GPU. According to Exynos, we could actually see this coming in the second half of this year. Not only that, AMD GPU will be a part of Samsung's future, which means next year's flagship chip, the Exynos 2200 or Exynos 1090, both of them will use AMD GPUs. A massive news indeed. Samsung could debut this new chip on Galaxy Z Fold 3 later this year. Now, speaking of future, Samsung is reportedly investing $10 billion in their facility that is situated in Austin, Texas, in order to catch up to TSMC in the race of building the next generation chip on a 3nm architecture. As you guys already know, TSMC was the first one to bring a 5nm chip in the form of Apple A14 before Samsung. But moving in the future, Samsung wants to beat TSMC in bringing this 3nm chip. We could actually see this coming in the year 2023. And last but not the least, Samsung really wants to challenge Apple in all fields. According to rumors, Samsung is looking to bring their Exynos chips to the PC market in order to compete with Apple's M1 chip. The Exynos PC chip will be based on the same 5nm architecture as the Exynos 2100, but we could see higher clock speed with even more cores, and of course the combination of AMD GPU. Not just Samsung, even Qualcomm is working on a chip to rival the Apple M1 processor. The competition is about to get exciting, not just in the smartphone world, but also in the field of laptops and PC. So that's all the latest news. Galaxy Note series will indeed have a surprising end in the form of a fan edition phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.